Those daily trips to the smoothie shop can really add up, not just in terms of money spent, but nutritionally as well. Smoothies from chains like Panera and Starbucks often come with added sugars and fruit concentrates instead of real fruit, which basically cancels out the whole reason you're having a smoothie in the first place. But which blender is best? And is blending hard for beginners? Whether you want to get the most out of your soups, sauces, and smoothies, or you want to live out your wildest Tom Cruise in cocktail fantasies and whip up delicious mixed drinks, we have all the advice and answers for how a blender can be a real asset to your culinary repertoire. Got blending on the brain? Check out our picks for the best juicers and food processors. So, let's get started. Number 9. Footy Power Blender and Amp Processor System. Ninja's most powerful system. Ninja's most powerful blender system that crushes, food processes, and makes smoothie bowls and dough all in one base. Smart Torque technology, powerful 1400 peak watt power-dense motor that powers through heavy loads without stalling or the need to stir or shake. 6 versatile functions, 6 preset auto IQ programs for one-touch smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough. Auto IQ technology, take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. Variable speed control, start slow and ramp up as needed for precision chopping and mixing. Powerful blender and amp processor, the 72 ounces pitcher does everything from crush to chop, make smoothie bowls and dough, all conveniently in one pitcher. Nutrient extractions, nutrient extraction cup with better breakdown for smoother extractions, smoothies, and frozen drinks, versus BN 750. Extracted drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. The next is Number 8. Enfinigy Countertop Power Blender. From effortlessly pureeing a loaded baked potato soup to evenly grinding coffee beans, it's safe to say that where there's a zwill, there's a way. The stylish Zwilling Enfinigy Countertop Power Blender performs as great as it looks. It can even whip up a creamy green smoothie in under a minute. Made using the same engineering as Zwilling J.A. Henkel's high-quality German knives, according to the Good Housekeeping Institute, this machine's high-carbon steel blades can easily cut through everything from leeks to broccoli florets. The next is Number 7. Pro Performance Blender, high-speed blender with powerful performance. 2.2 peak horsepower motor propels the blades to speeds over 200 miles per hour, delivering an ultra-responsive blending experience. Motor is optimized for quieter blending. Program settings for simplicity. For pre-programmed settings, smoothie, puree, soup, and ice crush provide consistent, professional blender results and walk-away convenience. Manual operation for total control. Infinitely variable speed control with pulse option lets you blend ingredients to your exact preference. Pulsing function works with any manual blending speed. Large 64-ounce capacity, shatterproof, BPA-free Triton copolyester jar holds 64 ounces, large enough to whip up smoothies or milkshakes for a large group. 5-year limited warranty. Built to provide years of high-performance blending, the Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Kitchen Blender is backed by a 5-year limited warranty and the support of Wolf Gourmet's dedicated customer service team. The next is Number 6. The Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. The Breville Fresh and Furious is where power meets versatility, designed with 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings for instant smoothies, green smoothies, and ice crushing to make what is a rough start, a smooth finish even blending hemisphere performance, a blender that combines the functionality of a powerful blender with some food processing tasks for versatility and convenience, crush and chop to turn ice into snow, fold and aerate for creamy smoothies and soups compatible with the VAC. The vac-Q removes air from the jug before blending, providing smoother textures, brighter colors and richer flavors to your blend. The vac-Q is sold separately. Quiet and efficient. The blade design and high-torque motor delivers quiet and efficient blending performance. Engineered surgical-grade stainless steel ensures the blades stay sharp for longer one-touch versatility. Pre-programmed buttons make it super simple to blend the smoothest of smoothies and crush ice into snow. The next is Number 5. A 3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. Whether your household is on the larger side or your home is the go-to spot for birthdays, game days, and every celebration in between, get the party started with the Vitamix A3500 Ascent. This smart blender will upgrade your kitchen to genius level with its modern features, like user-friendly touchscreen controls and the ability to connect to your phone via an app, which offers a whopping 17 programs to puree baby food and whip up nut butters, as well as chop, froth, grind, and clean. The Good Housekeeping Institute's kitchen tech experts were wowed by its performance during testing, noting it did exceptionally well at grinding coffee beans and blending milkshakes and smoothies. The Ascent's accompanying attachments come equipped with self-detect technology, which intuitively determines which container is affixed to the base and adjusts the blending settings accordingly. Number 4. Blender Combo. They don't call the NutriBullet the countertop magician for nothing. This powerful small appliance can bibbidi-bobbidi blend. Using the extract setting, which blends at various pre-programmed speeds, all your ingredients will be evenly processed, resulting in uniform, velvety shakes and smoothies to enjoy at home or on the go. In addition to boasting an easy-to-read control panel with large buttons, the high-powered NutriBullet Blender Combo comes fully equipped with 3 dishwasher-safe, BPA-free Tritan containers, a 64-ounce pitcher, 32-ounce jar, and 24-ounce cup with a handle, and 2 to-go lids for the personal blending cups. The next is Number 3. MyBlend. Who's up for a good post-workout protein shake? If your answer is me, myself, and I, we recommend the Oster MyBlend, which can effortlessly blend drinks right inside the included sports bottle to save you time and cleanup. This blender is as easy to use as any of your go-to exercise gadgets. Add your favorite ingredients to the jar, twist on the blade attachment, blend, and then switch out the blade for the lid to enjoy the fruits of your labor. It may not be great at making green juices, with the Good Housekeeping Institute warning that it doesn't perform well with tough leafy greens, but we think the MyBlend is a great gym buddy if smoothies and shakes are your jam. The next is Number 2. 3-speed ice crushing blender. The JLo of blenders, the KitchenAid 3-speed ice crushing blender is a triple threat with its simple, yet high-quality design, dishwasher-safe jar and lid, and 3-speed settings. The 6-cup pitcher is large enough that you can whip up smoothies and soups without needing to make multiple batches. The Good Housekeeping Institute noted that it's not as good at grinding down small particles like strawberry seeds, saying the smoothie still had a little bit of texture from strawberry seeds, but was still very creamy and thick. The broccoli and leek soup also had. The next is Number 1. E310 Explorian Blender. You don't have to be a practical magic fan to love a good midnight margarita, but if you want to join the Vitamix coven, there's no better option than the durable Vitamix E310 Explorian. From grinding coffee beans and whipping up nut butters to, yes, mixing up some classic margaritas, there isn't much this workhorse of a blender can't do. The Good Housekeeping Institute was impressed with its consistently even and smooth mixtures and zero leakage from the lid. One of our favorite features is its sturdy base, which stays put instead of bouncing around on your countertop. As is the case with Vitamix, the E310, so this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.